How do we do it? Let's jump right into it. Step 1 in Ideogram, generate a consistent character. Step 2, go to Nano Banana and grab the Mountain Dew can and say, make her ski suit take on the texture of the Mountain Dew can. Step 3 in Weavy, use Any LLM to generate 9 more prompts for 9 more poses based on the original photograph. Use Nano Banana to generate those 9 more poses, and then jump into Seedance Pro and animate as you see fit. This is just a rough draft. These are my initial outputs. No re-rolling, no upscaling, no do-overs. I'm going to do another draft tomorrow, and I'll fine-tune it and turn it into a full commercial.